See the weather guys, यस्तो वेदर हेरेपछि हामीलाई लाफिङ खान मन लाग्यो. So we went to have लाफिङ. लाफिङ खाएपछि धेरै पानी पर्न थाल्यो. Today I had to complete some research work, so I went to library and then we started to work on discussion part. Hello guys, we have finally completed our research work. Now back to hostel. Library बाट आएपछि then I started studying pharyngitis. I have completed pharyngitis. Now I am going to have my dinner. I had my dinner. Now I am planning to study forensic medicine, but I am feeling so sleepy. I was only able to study 30 minutes after dinner. That's all for today. Bye bye.